everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we're going to fix our Roomba. This was my first Roomba, and it used to be white, but it has turned cream, kind of like a Nintendo. So this Roomba is having issues where this back fan is not rotating, so it doesn't blow out the back. And we know it's the cartridge because we took a good working cartridge and put it in here and it works. So this has wire connections right here, electrical connections. And there's a fan in there that's supposed to rotate. Let's go ahead and open it up, figure out what's going on. Maybe it's just jammed or clogged. Do you see there's a fan right there? And you see a whole bunch of Phillips screws. So we have a small screwdriver kit right here. And just grab a small Phillips. There. That looks like it'll fit pretty well. Let's see if this will. There we go, much better. So I'll add the link down below for this screwdriver kit. I use this often for electronics. Most screwdriver sets are a little too big to work on electronics. That doesn't want to reach. Okay, so we just loosened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Phillips screws. And now this will lift up. There we go. All right, well, there's our fan right there. Now what? Nothing's in there, it's not clogged. Let's go ahead and loosen this Phillips screw as well. Oh! Okay, well, we got it open. Now what?
Fix it.
Okay, so now we need to see if this will rotate. All right, let's go ahead and plug this in and we'll turn it on. Let's see what happens. Hold your breath, because this might be dusty. Oh, it's working. All right, well, we fixed it without really doing anything. Yep. Oh. Detachable fan. All right, so maybe it was just jammed before, but it's working now. All right, well, let's go ahead and reassemble this. Sometimes when you work on things, you open it up and it wiggles some wiring. Loosens dust, frees up stuck motors, and it just fixes itself. All right. There, it's just like a sandwich. And bottom panel back on. Deeper screwdriver for this one. All right, 2 more screws. We're almost done. One right there, one on this end. Okay, so now that we have all the screws back in where they go, you click this cartridge back in. There we go. And then close this. Done. Let's go back in. And now this should vacuum correctly now.